Yeah, so if you recall, I mentioned right now we are evaluating the impact of that order as it relates to our capital planning and what does that do to some of our operational budget, whether it's, back office needs, so to speak, what additional labor costs that would require. I do think that as we continue to evaluate that, inevitably the question will be, do we need to, are we receiving enough revenue to be able to execute at whatever level and those amount of miles that may be necessary. So I don't want to discount the possibility of us having to go into the ICC for their review and their opinion on, what exactly a rate increase might look like.
Is that also what's happening as we're being pushed and places are being pushed more to electricity, be it buildings or households? Are then more people absorbing that cost of gas because we still got the piping and we still got the same pipe and the delivery system that has to go through? So is that part of that increase as well?
I appreciate the question. I think what we're getting at is, is it possible that there is an increased cost to those ratepayers still left on the gas system if they transition away? And the answer is yes.
Last January, Peoples ushered in the largest rate hike for a gas utility in Illinois history. At the time, the company reassured everybody that its increased gas delivery charges would be offset by lower costs for the gas itself on the commodity market. Unfortunately, it guessed wrong. Gas prices are rising again, which means Peoples Gas customers are getting squeezed now on both ends of their heating bills, paying more for Peoples to both acquire and deliver fuel to their homes.
I sincerely hope that utility management will seize the opportunity to get better results and become a more collaborative partner with the city and other stakeholders. So the second opportunity is to use many more tools to cost-effectively mitigate safety risks. Notably, the ICC order did not order Peoples Gas to replace all of its at-risk iron pipes by 2035. Instead, it ordered it to retire them. I think that's really critical. We've heard a lot today about how the order is to replace all the pipes by 2035. That's not the order, it's retirement. This distinction is important as it does not presuppose a single strategy, replacement, that is replacing old pipes with new pipes made of modern material, and instead leaves open multiple strategies such as advanced repair, pipe relining, and other non-pipe alternatives. These strategies have many potential benefits, including the potential to be much less expensive.
I see a lot of finger pointing, but at the end, when you finally get to page 236, 2 years worth of bickering, posturing, and politicizing, and we came back to the same conclusion. Get back to work. But now we have to do it 10 times faster. Excuse me, 100 times faster. And as they are talking about rate increases and they're talking about the impact on consumers, they didn't bat an eye in 2024, adding a $624 increase on businesses without any kind of impact study or to see what that's going to do to the mom and pop businesses throughout the entire city of Chicago. A new surcharge, which my residents have told me that this equates to $52 a month for struggling businesses throughout all our neighborhoods.